Hello everyone, this is Miss Cheryl from Sacred Heart Montessori, and I have two helpers here to help me teach you how to play a game called Go to the Dump, where we will practice finding our pairs that make 10. So we are using just a regular deck of playing cards, and we took out all the face cards and the 10s, and our aces are going to be our 1s, and then the rest are the numbers. So we have aces and then 2s all the way up to 9 for all 4 sets. We have them all mixed up. And the way that we're going to start is each person is going to get 5 cards. We go 1 for you, 1 for you, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. All right, so then you'll take a look at the cards you have, and you're going to look and see if you can find any 10 pairs. So Vivi is going to take a look here and say, that first card is a 2. And she can use the abacus to help her figure out what would she need to go with 2 to make a 10 pair. So she'll put 2 on the abacus, and then she'll see what's left is 8. 5 and 3 is 8. Now, if you have a 10 pair in your own hand,
I have an 8.
Okay, so you have a 10 pair there. 2 and 8 are a 10 pair. So you'll set those down beside each other in front of you on the floor. And then you can check to see if you have any other 10 pairs. We have a 9. What would go with 9 to make a 10 pair? You would put it on the abacus, you would put on 9 and see what's left on the row to make 10.
1.
9 and 1. And remember, our 1 for these cards is
the
ace. You have another 10 pair. Well, that was really lucky to start off with 2 10 pairs. You can just set them right on top of the other 10 pair. And start stacking them up. So she has her stacks.
one more card.
Can you move your knee so we can see your piles? So we're just making piles there for 10 pairs. All right, one more card. Now, Lydia, did you have any 10 pairs in yours? Nope. Okay, that's more typical. This was unusual to end up with 2 10 pairs. All right, so now if Vivi is going first, we always start with the youngest person who's playing. So what do you need to ask for to make a 10 pair? 2. How do you know?
Because
we already did it. Oh, you remember. 8 and 2 makes a 10 pair. So she's going to say 2. If you have more than 2 people, you just ask the person on your left. But if it's just 2 person, you're always going to ask the other person. Say,
is there 2?
Do you have a 2? She does. All right. Now, if you're out of cards, you're going to need to draw 5 more from the pile. We call that the dump. Alright, and now it will be Lydia's turn. So Lydia's going to look at her cards, and she's been practicing 10 pairs for a while, so she might already know them. And she's going to ask,
do you have a 4?
And if you have one, you have to give it.
No.
And so if you don't have it, you say, go to the dump. And so then Lydia will draw a card. Did you draw a 4? All right, so now she gets to make her own pile, her own pile of 10 pairs. Okay, now it is Vivia's turn. So Vivia's going to check and see, do you have any 10 pairs in what you just drew? So let's see, can you hold it up here so we can all... So we'll spread them out.
8 and a 2.
Oh, another 8 and 2. That's your 3rd time getting the 8 and 2 pair. Okay, so you can put those down. And then which one do you want to ask for?
5.
All right, so for 5, you know you need a 5 is to make a 10 pair. So you say, do you have a...
Do you have a 5? Go to the dump.
Okay, Now, whenever you draw one, you want to check and see if it gives you any 10 pairs. So what did you just draw?
3.
3. What does 3 go with? Check on
7.
the abacus. All right. 3.
7.
And 7. Do you have a 7 in your hand?
Yep.
All right. So now it is Olivia's turn.
Do you have a 7?
So you say,
Go to the dump. Nope.
no. All right. Vivia, your turn. Look on put one of your numbers on the abacus so you know what you need to ask for. So you have a 6. You put a 6. And then,
Do you have a
so what goes with 6?
4? Do you have a 4? Go to the dump.
All right.
I
Did
have a
you-
10 pair.
You have a 10. What 10 pair do you have?
5 and 5.
All right. So you can put that down, and then it will be Lydia's turn. And they're going to keep playing until the dump pile is all gone. And they take turns until all the cards have gone into 10 pairs. All right, so that's how you play. Go to the dump, and you can start with using your abacus, and eventually you'll find that you know what those 10 pairs are and you don't even need it. But you can use the abacus to help you find the numbers you need as much as you need to begin with. Have fun!